Good morning and bringing you the latest news headlines today, 2nd April 2025, and I am Regina Bliss. In today's edition of the New Crusading Guide, $18 million is too much for Ken. It shocks the conscience. Kennedy, a Japan's lawyer, cries out in call for reduction. Daily Guide. Government applauds Ghana bauxite company's refinery plan. The Daily Dispatch. I will not tolerate actions that cause floods. Mahama warns. Daily Graphic. At Idle Fiddle, President gets tough on flooding. Others demolition of structures on water courses. The Chronicle. How dubik attempting to halt sale of ECG containers at Tema port but was frustrated. Ghanaian Times. Curbing perennial flooding. Houses in waterways to go down. President warns. The Daily Statesman. Economic growth exceeded expectation in 2024. BOG Governor. This is where we end today's latest news headlines live on GhanaTalksRadio.